K,
M,
L, M,
N,
N,
O,
P,
Q,
Q,
O,
R,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
B,
V,
W,
W,
X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Now I know my A, C. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job. Oh, you count 1 to 20 muna. Give it to me. Count 1 to 20. Okay. You start. You start. 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Oh, boy.
Sige na, ano gito? Okay, you count.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12, 12,
14,
13,
14,
14.
16,
Ang 15 mo nasaan? O, 16,
17,
17. Ay, Dylan! Luka ka talaga, Timo. 17, 17,
18,
18,
what's that?
19,
What's that?
20. Oh, what letter is this? What letter is this?
3,
What letter is this?
H,
Banatang ito dyan eh. Luka ka. O, sige na. Okay. What letter is this?
B,
Okay, good job. And what letter is this?
C, Q,
Good job. What letter is this?
P,
Good job. And what letter is this one?
B,
Good job. How about
M,
baliktad. Og here. Baliktad yata eh. And how about what letter is this? Bilin. This one, what letter is this?
A,
E. How about
O,
good job. Ano pa bang letter? Oh,
A.
good job. Talino naman ang anak mo.
Sorry.
It's okay. What letter is this?
A,
Good job. How about this one? Ay, mali. Sorry.
U,
Sorry. You. Dapat si yun eh. Oh. What letter is this?
a giant.
Nasaan yung giant mo? What letter is this?
P, R.
Good job.
Wow.
How about this one? This one. What letter is this one?
P,
Good job.
P,
Ano pa ba? Here.
H.
Good job. What letter is